Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, while we were discussing about grouping the records and then filtering using the having clause, I also talked about the method, the rank and dense rank. So basically, dense rank and rank are methods which are generally called as window functions in MySQL. So today we are going to solve one question which is medium type on Leetcode. The question says that so we have given the table which is known as scores. This has two columns. One is the ID, which is basically the ID of the record, and next is the score corresponding to that record. So it says that ID is the primary key for this table. So I've been repeating it in each video that I've been recording so far. That basically, whenever a single key is a primary key, it essentially means that the key has the ability to uniquely identify each record present in the table. So that is the definition of primary key. Moving on, it so the question is write a solution to find the rank of the scores. So we have to find the rank of the scores. So I think it dates back to when we were in classes, while like when we were graded we usually discuss the ranks, right? In a similar way we have to rank the scores given in the table, but there are some conditions which have to be met. So the first condition is the score should be ranked from the highest to lowest. Correct, right? So essentially, the score which is highest has to be ranked first. The following should be ranked second, like that. And the second condition is that if there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. Let's say let's discuss an example of taking students. Suppose if two students have gotten the same marks, they should be mapped to the same rank, but not the different ranks. And after a tie, so whenever both the students are mapped to the same rank, the score which comes after the students having the same score should be ranked next consecutive integer value. So essentially, to simplify, right, let's say we have four students. The student one has gotten the marks 90, so he should be ranked with one. Let's say the student 2 and 3 have gotten 88, 88. So essentially they should be ranked 2 because they have gotten the same scores. And let's say the fourth student has gotten 85 marks. So instead of ranking him as 4, we should rank him 3, because after the 2, the consecutive integer is 3. And to solve this question, I'm basically following a window function. I will basically talk about two window functions and see what's the difference between those two window functions. Like we do in every video, let's see how the sample data is looking like. Select everything from the table name is scores. So select everything from scores. When I run this query, so it essentially outputs the sample input that has given by the platform. So if you see over here, right, we have six different IDs. So the first one, the ID one has score 3.5, two has 3.65, and so on. So what we need is we need output in this way. So basically, so this is the expected output. So the score 4, which is highest among all the records, should be ranked 1. If you see, the next highest is also 4. So basically it should also be ranked as 1. When you see the third record, which is 3.85, it should be ranked as 2. So this is what the output is expected. Let's see how can we solve this question. So what I'm trying to do is I will select score, the score column, and then what I will do is let's first discuss the rank method. So there's a window function which is known as rank, which basically assigns a unique rank to each of the record present in the table. So if I say rank, so the syntax is rank should be followed by a over clause. We have to order, right? We have to order by score. So basically we are essentially giving the rank based on the score. So we have to order the score. In which order we have to order the score? Because as we are giving the ranking from highest to lowest, the order by score should be ranked in a descending. So order by score descending, I will give it a alias. I want to name this as, what is the expected output? So yeah, I want to name this as rank because that is what the column is expected. uh, Next, after rank, what I will do is from scores, correct? Now I will try running this and we'll see how the output is coming. Yeah, the output is incorrect because I will tell you why the output is incorrect. If you see over here, the output that produced from our query is 4. Okay, this is the highest score. So the rank given is 1. And again, the next score is 4. The rank given is 1. But if you see the third record, which is 3.85, right? The rank obtained was 3. Instead of 3, we need 2, because what is the next rank? 2. But as these two records got the same rank, the second number is being skipped and third has produced as output. This is the disadvantage of using rank. So whenever two records have the same value, it will skip, it will maintain those gaps, it will skip that middle number and it will give the third consecutive number. So to overcome that disadvantage, instead of using rank, we can use a method which is known as dense rank. So if I run it now, so it has given me the correct output, because if you see over here, right, even though both the first records have the same rank, but the third record, which is 3.85, has got the rank 2. Now I will go ahead and submit it and we'll see if all the test cases have been passed or not. Yeah, all the test cases have been passed, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, all the test cases have been passed. Thank you once again for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. I will also in future upload more videos on Leetcode, because these are essentially the important problems that we have to solve when we are attending any product interviews. Thank you for watching once again.